Nylon locking nuts are a good low-cost lock nut solution, most commonly used in automotive and machinery applications. They fasten very similarly to standard hex nuts, making them easy to install, and when tightened, the nylon insert deforms around the threads of the fastener, similarly to how an O-ring or even corks in wine bottles work. This increase in friction and contact between the threads creates a gripping action to keep the nut on the bolt. Unfortunately though, if you're working in a high temperature environment, this type of locking nut isn't going to be suitable, as the nylon insert will only retain its locking ability up to a maximum of 121 degrees Celsius. And there's also a lot of debate over their reusability too. So, if you've got any tips on using locking nuts, leave a comment below to let us know. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and share it. You can also follow us on social media or subscribe to the YouTube channel, remembering to click the bell to stay notified for more tutorials and announcements. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And let us know, what can you build?